friends, my name is Zulekha here and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, then don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and if you do like my content, then do subscribe to my channel and keep supporting me on my journey. So today I'm going to review about a Vega 3-in-1 hair styler. So here it is. This is Vega 3-in-1 hair styler. It has straightener, curler and crimper. So it has certain features. Let me read it out for you. So number 1, it's a 3-in-1 hair styler, straightener, curler, crimper. Second, it is ceramic coated plates. And third, it has one button to switch to any styles. 4, it has a power LED indicator. 5, it has a 360-degree swivel cord to prevent tangling, which is a very good feature. So basically this is it. And it says that glamorous is so yesterday, glam zone is forever. Now be all that you want to be with Vega 3-in-1 hair styler. So it's a quite one thing. You don't need to carry a straightener, curler, crimper separately. With one hair styler, you will achieve 3 different kind of hairstyles. That is something wow. So basically the price of this product is $17.99. So during sale, you will get this one in Amazon, in Nykaa, and during sale you might get some discounts on this hair styler. You can check it out. Basically I got it as a gift from my husband during my anniversary. So this will show you now I will show you the product. So here is the product. Here it is, the 3 thing. Here is that one button switch. If you want to just crimp your hair, you can put this together and lock it. So you are ready to do the crimping part. Then again open the lock. If you want to do straightening, you can put the crimper part together and lock it, and you are together, and you can easily straighten your hair. And for curling, lock both the end and you are good to go. So this is it, and it has a power indicator, on and off button. This is the on and off button. This is the LED indicator, and this is the swivel cord which moves around 360-degree, which is very good. Seriously, it prevents tangling, and its cord is quite long, around 1.52 meters, which is really helpful, so that you can plug it out somewhere and you can easily do it without any fear of coming out and no tangling also. This is quite a good feature it has. And one thing is that I have used it. When you heat this thing, this part gets very heated. I almost burned my hand. So be very careful while using it. Don't touch this part. Hold it over here. This is the one disadvantage of this. You have to do it with your 2 hands. You can't hold this part. You have to hold the tip of this part till here. Basically this area. Otherwise you will burn your finger because it gets super hot. So this is the product. So today I'm going to try with you people and give you a live demo and show you the different styles you can do with this beautiful hair styler. So let's get started. See, now I will power it on. Give it 2 minutes to get heated. Then we will do the styling. Till then I have already put a serum on my hair. So I'm going to comb my hair. And we will wait for 2 minutes I will give it the time to get heated up. Then we will start doing the styling. I will do straightening first. Comb it nicely. So it's really very hot. I'm going to lock the crimper part and I will start doing the straightening. So always keep it away from your hair, otherwise you will burn your neck, your skin. So be careful while doing it. It's very hot, very hot. See, I'm holding this tip slowly. Always keep it away from your body, from your skin. You can see, and it has ceramic plates, so it won't damage your hair much. This is one of the very good thing. Wow, so it's got easily straddled. See, it's looking so nice. So now I will do the curling one. Curling purpose, you need to lock both the ends. So I will keep this one and put this button at the middle. Yeah, middle. So both side locked and secured. So we need to press this up, open, Wait for a few seconds. Let's see how beautiful it has been combed. Do the crimping part. Do a sections, always make a sections and then do it, so it will be really easy. Make the sections and then do it. This is good for personal use. And comb this part. So now we'll do the crimping part. I really liked it, and it's, you can see it's within a few minutes the hair got straightened. It's giving you such a good result. You can see. Now I will do the, be careful guys, don't touch this part. Right now by mistake I touched it and I almost burnt my tongue. So be careful while doing it. Now I will open the crimping part and I will lock this part. Locked it. Now let's start. Hold it for a few seconds. Press, leave, press, leave, press, leave, press and leave. Do it like this. You can see so nicely. See, the crimping is done so nicely.
I'm crimping the other part of my hair also.
Now it's perfect.
I hope you can see the effect of crimping properly.
So you can see I have crimped this part and this section. Final result of crimping. I hope you all can see that effect. Since my hair is curly and quite frizzy and rough, maybe the result is not that good. What should I say? Like, firstly I should have straightened my hair, then should I have done the crimping. Then it would have been more visible, I guess. I don't know, since my hair is already curly, but whatever effect it has given it to my hair, I'm quite liking it. Quite liking the texture and this crimping effect on my hair. So if you know about this, anything that it is more visible on straightened hair or the look is like this for curly hair, if you know about it, then do let me know in the comment section. Quick to use and easy to use, and I think $17.99 is quite affordable and budget friendly. You will get 3 products in one styler, so it's definitely a good item. You can give it a try. I hope you find this video helpful and useful. And if you have used it and what is the advantage and disadvantage of this styler you feel, do let me know in the comment section. So this is it, and see you all in my next YouTube video. Till then, goodbye. Love you all.